trucks right here are waiting for them for their appointment times. They can't pick up too early, so they have to hang around. And some of these people are doing their breaks right outside here, and but this is considered their bobtail parking right here. That's where you wait, like a bunch of sheep ready to punch your ticket. And so you can deliver all these packages to all these ungrateful freaking couch potatoes at the house who hates trucks and never want to let us get in the lane. Okay.
Meanwhile, we just ordered something off of Amazon Prime.
I didn't order shit.
Meanwhile, I just ordered something off of Amazon Prime 2 days ago.
What did you order?
A belated Christmas gift for Sage. The charcuterie board, because nobody can say charcuterie. It's cute. I showed you the picture of it. What's this?
It's trying to tell me that I was speeding 2 minutes with this slow ass truck.
Yeah, your truck's governed at what, 65?
Yeah, they can go kick some rocks with no damn shoes on.
Yeah, that means his truck physically cannot go any faster than 65 miles per hour. So there's no way that he could be speeding. What? And what? Amazon gives you like a score, correct? Based off of...
Huh?
Amazon gives you a score based off of...
Oh, no, their main thing is being on time. See? Then you gotta scan this.
Yeah.
Nah, just go and scan this.
Radio legend Conan O'Brien.
And Thor's gotta be in charge while he's checking in. Like the yard jockeys are waiting to pounce. My goodness. So the guy backing up right there, for those that you don't know, these are called yard jockeys. They just move the trailers back and forth around, and they're typically friendly. They just drive around all day, and you know, you can ask them a couple of questions, but that's it for them. They just move trailers. So the nice thing about doing these Amazon Prime loads or JB Hunt, which is another trailer right there. I don't know if I can zoom in anymore. There we go, JB Hunt, Swift, all these other guys, they're dropping hooks. So meaning the trailers are preloaded. So all we have to do is go hook up to one, take it to the destination, and drop it off, and then go get another one. That way we're not doing what they call live loading, is what Jose typically does when we're doing reefer loads, which are refrigerated trailers. You would take the trailer to the facility and they would load it up, and then you go. That typically takes, you know, the industry standard is 2 hours, but that's unlikely. We've been delayed overnight before, hours. All the other drivers out there, I'm sure they have their own fair share of horror stories. But this is pretty sweet gig. Just doing a power only, meaning the only equipment that we have is just the tractor itself. So we picked up this Amazon trailer in Phoenix, Arizona, and we just arrived at the Amazon facility in Memphis, Tennessee. Jose is speaking to the guards to get all checked in. We are a bit early, so I think he's just trying to sweet talk him. Our appointment isn't until 10 o'clock, but it being drop and hook, that means that we don't have to do a live unload where we have to back the trailer into the door for them. We should be able just to drop it off in one of those spots on this side. The yard jockey will come and move it to the warehouse. doors on that side to be unloaded and then distributed in prime Sprinter vans. Thor, get down. I can hear security telling him which space to go park it in. So it seems like we good.
Oh, I got it. I'll do it right now. I forgot that. Sorry. I didn't get that safety vest. All right.
Oh, that's it. Now you're gonna have to do the safety dance. S-A-F-E-T-Y. Safety. Engine is turned off. Don't forget your BOL. Do you need one?
No.
Please wait while we're connecting you with an agent. Hi, you're Bob Billy now?
Yes, ma'am. Last four is
Can I have the truck
JBW9.
license plate?
I'm sorry?
I need the truck license plate number. Hey, good to go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Everything we need, so we can actually just turn around right here and just park and wait. We can walk the dog right there, and it works out beautiful.
Yeah, no, that is a decent enough spot.
The problem is this guy just parked off like tight, so we gotta park super tight to the right because he can't park like he's the way he's supposed to park. But you know, not everyone is considerate like yours truly. There you go. Not everybody's way.
You just staying here for the night?
For now, until I get
Another load?
a load, I'm not gonna waste my fuel. I'm not gonna. This is safer than the truck stop in Memphis.
I believe
Memphis, you get the people knocking on your doors. You get the people trying to rob you, watch you go to the bathroom, follow you to the truck. They have whatever kind of weapons. They be shooting people down here. You have to know what you're doing and what you got to know your surroundings and know the areas that you're going to be in. From the time that we entered Conway, Arkansas, all the way to Memphis, a little bit past Memphis, you have to be aware of what you're doing. If you think that a truck stop is safe, it's not safe. If you go to these truck stops right here, they normally have one or two security or armed security guards or police officers at the truck stops because it's that bad. Full time. Working full time.
Yeah.
You know, my friend Angel, he got mugged at one of these truck stops. The guy seen him get cash out of the ATM and followed him to his truck and pulled a gun on him.
How long ago was that?
A few years ago.
Thank goodness. Did he report it? Anything come of it?
They seen the guy on the camera and everything like that. That's not the first time they did to somebody, did that to someone. But his dumbass went across the motel to go into his room.
Yeah.
And they caught him in his room the next, late on that night or the next day.
Oh my goodness. I'm glad nothing happened.
So that's how messed up they are. Yeah, so if he would have refused to not give him the money, he would have shot him for 60, 70, 80 bucks. So he would have lost his life over 80 bucks. You know?
It's ridiculous. But no, you're right. This is a secured lot. Time to bundle up and walk the doggy. Trying to keep him off the grass because it's actually pretty muddy.
Hey, so apparently when we got this rental, the lock was cut off, so it was barely on the rim. So I had this piece, I removed this piece, I just popped it up. Now the piece that's in there is bent, so I have to go inside and pull it out, and hopefully it can come up, because it's not unlocking the door, because the lock keeps hitting the ceiling, or the panel inside is not allowing it to pop up. So the whole point is for me to try to get in here and move it away from where it's getting blocked off, and hopefully put in like a straw or something to keep it afloat until I can figure something out. Maybe put something else on there until I get to the KW dealership where I can just get a new one, replace it completely. So here it goes. Camera phone is bulky. You know what? Making my life a lot easier, a lot harder. Should. Yeah, I'm a little late. Special somebody got me as a gift. I wonder who that can be.
That'd be me.
We won't know unless I turn the window. Hold on. Nope, not working yet. Oh, there it is. You see it? See it? Now I have to put something on here to try to get it to stick. I gotta figure something out. So, found a solution for now until I go to the hardware store tomorrow. In the meantime, put a straw on it, and then I'm just going to cut it like right around here, and hopefully this dog doesn't knock it over or out of place, whatever. It's probably it will, but we'll see. I don't have scissors, so I'm just gonna cut it with this. Yeah, look how high it is. I gotta cut that a little bit more. There you go. That'll work. All fixed. For now. Thanks for watching.